Alright guys, that we have got now an idea that suppose we are somehow sure that this specific niche is really a good niche, but now we need to validate and analyze this specific niche, that whether it's really good as our mind is telling us. So now we will be using the Helium 10 extension, right? So here you can see I have opened the Helium 10 extension. So in Helium 10 extension, this tool, Xray tool, I will be using this tool in start to analyze the products. As I have told you there in the web extension, in the web form of the Helium 10, there were so many tools, and Helium 10 is a package of tools, not just one tool. So here, same in the extension, you can see 5 tools, Xray, Amazon Product Research, and SN Grabber, and Product Calculator, Inventory Level, Review Insight, and we'll be discussing all of these tools as well, stepwise. But for now, to analyze the specific needs that we have selected, and we want to analyze it more, that whether it's fulfilling our criteria. So let's check it through Xray. See guys, it's loading. It might take time a little bit to get load and fetch all the results. Okay guys, now they are showing us, Helium 10 is showing us all the results, and it has fetched all the data on this first page. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, you can see here, these are the sponsored products. Here SP is written with it. So first of all, what we will do, we will just come here and filter the results. Okay, and high sponsored products from results, apply filters. Now let's start analyzing this product, that whether it's fulfilling our criteria or not. Right, so first of all, what we will check, search volume, it for the main exact keyword, and the main exact keyword in our case now, it's ice picks. Okay, ice pick. So the search volume should be above 8,000 for all the time. Here you can see it's showing different options, 90 days, 30 days, 1 year. So we'll be checking for all the time. So you can see it's almost above 8,000 for all the time, and now it's going up. So it's really a good search volume. Okay, so basically it's showing us that this product is an evergreen product, and most of the time, like, people are buying this product, as the search volume is showing us that, hey, it's good product. If people are searching for it, so it means that the buyers need this product. So it's a daily need of the buyers and the people who are surfing the Amazon. That's why they are searching it. So the first criteria is fulfilled here, almost. Now let's check the second criteria. Google trend 5 years should not be trendy or seasonal. So we will check the Google trend, as I have told you before. We will just come to the Google trend. It's already open. You will type in the URL search bar of Google Chrome, trends.google.com, and then you will just write here ice pick. Okay, and I have already selected here United States. So it's showing us that it's all the time almost above 25. It's showing no trends here. It has just went up for some reason, but again the graph is consistent. It's about 25. It's really good. Okay, so it's not a seasonal product or trendy product, because it's not going dead somewhere. You cannot see that the line is touching the bottom line. The graph is not touching somewhere the bottom line. So it's already, you can see a good trend. So the second criteria is also fulfilled. Now let's check the seasonality. Should not be a seasonal product, and we have already checked in the search volume that it's not a seasonal product. Now let's check sorted result. How we will sort the result? Okay, we are here. We can sort the result according to revenue. Okay, but the sorted result, it's a big topic, when you need to sort according to revenue, when you need to sort according to sales. We sort revenue to check whether the revenue is consistent for the seller. So here in our case, I think it's consistent, because one is earning $22,000, other one is 20,000 and 15 and 14. So it's not like that one of the seller is taking all the market and like 60,000, and all of others are just earning like 1 or 2,000. So the revenue is consistent as per, and we sort the sales when we select a product that, yeah, it's a good product and we want to launch it. Then for selecting the specific design or selecting our competitor, we sort the whole niche according to the sales. Okay, and we check that, hey, this person is having so much sales. It is having 2,975 sales per month sales. So we should be launching our product as per this design, and we should select this one as our competitor. Okay, this one is selling retractable ice picks, so that's why the people are loving it and there is so much sales. So this is the second criteria of sorting and unsorting, but it's a big topic. And now delete the irrelevant products. You can Helium 10 is basically artificial intelligence. Okay, it just fetch a data whatever is there on the first page. So sometimes they are irrelevant results, so you will check it here that whether the results are relevant to us. Yeah, this is ice pick, this one is also ice pick, ice pick, ice pick, and this is ice pick. So most of you will check each of the listing that whether it's according to our needs that we are searching, like it's ice pick or not something else, because sometimes the buyers come and if they will buy ice pick and they might buy the ice maker with it. Okay, like they might be the frequently bought together items. So the ice tray, I mean like ice tray, the buyers are coming and they are buying the ice trays with the ice picks. So that ice tray sometimes get ranked on this keyword as well, on ice pick. So basically it's not relevant. Ice tray is something else than ice pick, so we will avoid and we will ignore that result. Okay, now let's check 5 to 10 5 out of 10 listings should have the main keyword. So our main keyword, it's ice pick. Let's check that ice picks in the top 10 is there in the title. This is the title that Helium 10 is showing for this product, so it is having ice pick. Okay, here you can see they are using ice picks, right? Here they are using ice pick and ice picks. Same, you can come here and you will check each one of these, like in the top 10 you will check that they are having the main keyword in their title or not. Now let's check brand domination, that one of the brand is not appearing 3 times. So let's check it here. Helium 10 is showing us the brand names. So let's check. I think, yeah, there is no brand dominancy. All of the brands are different from each other. No any brand is repeating. If they were repeating brands, so like Co2, so this Co2 might have like 2 to 3 listings and they might have the top ranks. So they would they will be showing here, like in place of Supro Bearwear there will be Co2. So that's appearing of a brand twice. So it should not be like one brand should not be more than 3 times. So in our case now here the brand, there is no brand dominancy, and product price should be between 9 to 40. So let's check it. What's the price? So here Helium 10 is showing the average price. So average price is 12. So it's really good. Okay, it's falling in our criteria, and yeah, almost all of them like the average is 12, so it's good. Okay, all right. So listing age should be like more than 6 months. It should be more like older than 6 months old. So you can just come here and you can see this is the creation date. The Helium 10 is showing this creation date and you can check it. This first listing, it has got live in 3rd month in March 30, 2021. So it's more than 6 months. Same in this case, and here it's 2020, 2019. So yeah, it's fulfilling our criteria. You will check this from here, the listing date. Okay, now let's check the next criteria. Revenue for 5 out of 10 sellers that should be earning more than 5,000. Let's check it. So these are almost the 10 sellers. Okay, these are the 10 sellers, and let's check that 5 out of these 10 sellers are earning above 5,000 or not. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So yeah, it is fulfilling our criteria. Right. So next, competing products less than 3,000. Let's check it here. I have told you already before that you can check it from here. You can see for ice picks there are 955 results only. So the competing products are 955. It's fulfilling our criteria here as well. And now let's check what is it. reviews for 4 out of top 10 sellers. That should be less than 500, like up to 500. So let's check it. Here the Helium 10 is showing the reviews for this seller. Okay, we can see here these are the top 10 sellers, and it's less than 500, less than 500, less than 500, less than 500, and here also less than 500. So yeah, it's fulfilling our criteria. Okay, average reviews of top 10 should be below 2000. Let's check it. Helium 10 is showing that for the for the first page, the sellers that are ranked, that are having 456 reviews, just 456 reviews. So it's below 2000. It's really a winning product. Okay, and now Amazon as a seller, not more than 3 times. So where we will check this. So the Helium 10 is showing us the seller type here. Where is it? Yeah, fulfillment method. Okay, so here you can see FBA, 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 MZ. So it is showing that this product is basically the listing of Amazon. Okay, so Amazon is once here in the top 10, and here it is second time, but I think it's not top 10. Okay, so in the top 10 Amazon is one time, or if it is in the top 10, like it's 15 and 5, yeah, it is in the top 10. So it's just twice here, so still it's not a dominant seller. Weight less than 5 lbs. Let's check it here. Helium 10 is showing us the weight as well. It's 0.5 and 0.20, so it's less than what we have mentioned here. Product rating, it should be 4.3 plus. So let's check the rating for the top 10 seller. Yeah, it's for all the top 10 sellers, it's above 4.3. Variation less than 3. So we will we will have to go to one of the listing like this one. Let's check it. Here you can see it's just one variation, no more variations here, right? No more variations here. So it's a good product. Okay, it's fulfilling our criteria. Next, value addition. Can we add any value to this product for making our offer more appealing? You can just scroll down and you can take an idea from the frequently bought items together. So I think they are the same products bought together. You can take idea from somewhere else as well. You can just add some value if you can add to this. So that's a edge for us. Seller type 50% should be FBA sellers. Let's check it. Here we can see the fulfillment method. It's FBA, FBA, FBA. So more than 50% are FBA seller. So it's fulfilling our criteria. Size tire should not be oversized. Okay, 18, 14, and 8 inches. And it's basically what is here. Yeah, weight dimensions. You can check the dimensions are also less than what we have mentioned. So we can go with this product. We can launch it, right? We have analyzed this product. So it's a whole validation, how you validate a product. And before I have shown you in the web of Helium 10 that how we use black box to get an idea of a product, and after that we start validating that product with the Helium 10 extension. So this was the USA market, and we can go for UK market as well and check there as well in the same way. Okay, it's Bisaki, it's UK market. Okay, the same way here we will click on the extension and then we will open the Xray, and before that we can just come here and select the market amazon.co.uk, get an idea from the black box, and then start validating that specific niche. And as you find your product, then you are ready to source that product and launch it. So this was I think it was a complete explanation of how to validate a product and how to get an idea. And I will be discussing and making other videos as well for getting ideas of products that are winning products. You can take ideas from inside the magnet, that is a tool of Helium 10, and else that there are so many other ways and sources from where you can get idea for the winning products and then start validating those products with the help of tools, extension of those tools.